Essae Digitronics, protecting your profits. We believe profit protection is the main function of our weighing systems. A 20 crore company suffered a loss of Rs 35 lakhs due to weighing inaccuracies. That was a whopping 21% of their profits. Electronic truck scale, steel. With over 4,000 installations across the country, Essae has a capacity to produce over 150 weighbridges per month, available in capacities ranging from 10 to 150 tons, and platform sizes ranging from 2 meters into 2 meters to 25 meters into 6 meters. Our production begins with a meticulous design process, followed by procuring superior quality raw materials for better sectional efficiency and load-bearing capacity. Essae use plasma cutting for faster, efficient and precise metal cutting. MIG welding for slag-free and cleaner welding. Stringent quality process ensures integrity of material and its suitability for long years of service. Essae is one of the few weighbridge manufacturers who use shot blasting for eliminating the surface containments from steel and ensuring a micro-surface roughness. After shot blasting, every beam and plates are first coated with primer and then spray painted using industrial epoxy paints, making our products resistant to rust and corrosion. Essae weighbridges come with internationally acclaimed double-ended shear beam load cells that are highly reliable. Essae weighing systems are calibrated using in-house calibration system that ensures the right weight the first time and every time. The in-camera packing ensures that there are no discrepancies for the material dispatched. The loading of the material is also done very systematically and meticulously. The best-in-class electronic indicator, Truckmaster 960, can be directly connected to the printer, loaded with several features. It makes work simpler, cheaper and faster. ESPD 30 provides a reliable protection to your machine during lightning without affecting the system accuracy. Our service engineers are located across the country and easily accessible. The central repository of customer information is updated through daily reporting. Essae also has a call center with one contact number across the country to manage customer concerns effectively. Essae, we protect your profits. Thank you for considering doing business with Essae.